You can help someone 100 times, carry them when they couldn't walk, stand by them when no one else did. But the day you slip, you say something wrong, you make one little mistake, suddenly the 100 favors are gone. All they see is the flaw. Imam Shafi'i spoke about this centuries ago. 99 things right, one thing wrong, and people spread the wrong. That's human nature. We forget. So when it happens to you, don't be surprised. People may forget the good you did, but Allah never forgets.